As we've built the malt house, we've had to make a lot of components ourselves. When we transfer barley from steeping to germination, we're transferring about 40 tons of wet barley over the course of less than an hour. We need to move it quickly so that it's all underwater for roughly the same time. This is the piece of equipment we built to do that. We looked into buying valves, so this gets installed like this. If we installed a valve under this pipe, we would have had a vertical clearance issue, and then also I would have had to pay money for those. Boy, do I hate that. So we built our own valves instead. So you can kind of see how these work. We've got a sleeve here, we've got the pipe here, and as I turn the shaft, you can see that I'm closing off this opening. All this does is just slide this tube back and forth across this pipe. We really don't need it to close any tighter than that. Barley is about a 1/16 of an inch wide, so we've got less than a 1/16 of an inch gap here, and when it's fully closed, no barley gets through. A little bit of water sprays out, not a big deal. So the way this works is, like I say, it's for transferring barley from steeping to germination. So we're pumping barley in sort of a barley water slurry from one step to the next. So the barley water slurry comes in this end, flows through the pipe. So this is in line with a bunch of other pipes, flows through the pipe. When it gets to the hole, drops out. So this one valve, we've got 5 of these in place. This one valve will pass about 8 tons of barley over the course of, usually takes us about 40 minutes really. So flow all the barley into the GKV. The perforated floor allows the water to flow through, and then we've got a GKV full of barley. So by controlling how open or closed the valve is, we can try to spread the barley evenly across the germination floor. So we just kind of control all 5 valves, make sure we've got good positioning. But these work great, cheap to make, and I mean they held up. The ones we have in place have held up for years and years. So pretty happy with them.